Hello students of class 9. Now in this video we'll be learning about the internet and its applications. Clear? The last video which I shared with you, that is for class 9, is basic ICT skills. They we learned about the basic tools of ICT, what is an ICT and where it is used for. But here we're going to learn about what an internet is and its applications. Before entering into the definition of an internet, all of you know generally you call an internet as network of networks. Apart from that, what do you call an internet? You can say it is a collection of interconnected computer networks from around the world that provides a wealth of information on any nearly topic that you can imagine, right? The World Wide Web is oftenly called the web. Otherwise, you can also call the internet itself as just cables, wires, and specialized computers, but its values lies in the vast amount of information it contains. Clear? Yes or no, children? Because we use internet only for the purpose of searching any kind of information and to connect with people, and also to use it in a wider way or in a wiser way where it is helping us in different ways. Correct? The next thing we're going to learn is application of internet. Like what are the applications? Like where are we using internet? Say for example in business we use internet, and students they use, and research persons they use internet. Even teachers, professors, everybody is using internet. And also we use internet for online shopping, and then in order to make us to connect with our friends who are apart from us, we are using internet. And also in offices, if they have any meetings or conferences, even then they're using internet. And also for entertainment also we use internet. You play games over the internet, or you watch videos on YouTube. All these also are the applications of the internet. So where do you go for internet? From where in the computer? How do you open internet? Where do you search for this? Where do you search for the information? Or where do you Google, or all these things that we're going to learn? For that, the main thing that you need is an internet browser. Yes or no? So what is a browser? A browser is nothing but it is an important software for connecting you to the internet. Yes. So some of the examples of the browsers may be Internet Explorer, Opera, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Netscape Navigator. All these are some of the examples. So in the browser, whatever you're going to search for, you type in the address of the web page that is into the address bar, and then you press the enter button so that whatever information you're searching for will be loaded in that particular browser page. Yes. So this is the main use of an internet browser. And also I've told you about some of the examples of internet browser. Now, the next thing is about websites and web pages. So browser is a place where you search for something. Now we're going to discuss about the difference between a web page and a website. See, first we'll learn what a website is. See, a website is nothing but a collection of many related web pages linked together under one domain. For example, if we consider our school website itself, in that website we have so many links. Each link will have a different document behind it, right? So each link will have its single page document, or whatever code it has, that is called a web page. So to simply tell you what is a website and a web page, you can call website as the parent page or the name given to the collective web pages. For example, you can call the websites as google.com or amazon.com or snapdeal.com or whatever. All these are the examples of the website. And the next we're going to learn about is web page. See, each page on the internet which contains information in the form of text or graphics or in the form of sound, then you call it as a web page. So each of these pages built together, we form a website. So that is a major difference between a website and a web page. Hope you understood this, children. The next place where we use internet widely is about email applications. So first you must know what an email stands for. So email stands for electronic mail. Before we were using only the letters to transfer the message, or letters were sent from one place to another place. But now it is very easy for us to drop just a mail from one person to another person so that it reaches the other person's inbox when the person is in online. So some of the examples of email applications are Microsoft Outlook and Mozilla Thunderbird. All these are some of the examples of email applications. So how do you create an email ID? So email ID can be easily created with the help of your name and date of birth and all the things, and you can protect your email as well with the help of the login ID and the password. Yes. And next is sending and receiving mail. You know how to send a mail using Gmail. You'll have to go compose a mail, and then you have to send a mail to a person, whoever the recipient is. This is about email application. And the next thing we're going to learn about is social media. So what is a social media? Normally we know what an internet is, but social media is nothing but it's helping or facilitating the creation and sharing of information, ideas, career interest, and other form of expressions via virtual communities and networks. So it is mainly helping us to share any kind of information or transfer any kind of information or use any kind of technologies in a wiser way. You can go for social media. In that we have different things like blog, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, and digital media. And we'll be go throwing one by one. Okay. So first thing that we're going to learn about is blog. So what is a blog? This is nothing but a short form of a weblogs where a person can individually have an ID for the blog, and that particular person can post his views or opinions on that particular topic, and everybody who's seeing that particular blog can post a comment for it. Yes. So this is nothing but a blog. And the next one is Twitter. So Twitter, why does the name come name to, Twitter given to us? It is because of the name of a Twitter bird. So Twitter is nothing but it is also an online news and social networking service where you can post and interact with the messages. Those are called as tweets. Like these were restricted only to 140 characters, but on November 7, 2017, the limit was double for all languages except Japanese, Korean, and Chinese languages. You know when Twitter was created? Twitter was created in March 2006 by Jack Dorsey, Glass Bistone, and Evil Williams, and launched in the July of that year. Usually, you can create Twitter easily, going on and then logging on it and create an ID of your own. Even you can tweet on that, so that many can view what you have tweeted and they can comment back also. Clear? The next one is about Facebook. I'm not going to explain anything about Facebook because you know very much about Facebook, because Facebook is helping us to connect people and friends, and you can also have any post you can reply to the comments. You can update any post regarding current affairs or whatever. So this Facebook was created by whom? This was developed by Mark Zuckerberg, and he was the one who invented. Next social media that we're going to learn about is YouTube. And YouTube is the place where you have online video sharing service, and this has also been acquired by Google. You already know it. So you can also create an user ID and password, and then if you wanted to upload any videos into the website, you can do this with the help of YouTube. And YouTube allows us to upload, you can view it, you can rate also, you can share it. All these things are possible with the help of the YouTube. And YouTube earns advertising revenue from Google AdSense, where you can where this is just a program which targets ads according to site content and audience. So YouTube, usually we whenever we try to learn something new, or whenever we're trying to make something new, and then we'll be using YouTube in order to find out how do you do that and how do you make it. All these we learn with the help of the YouTube. So you can use only in a wiser way when you wanted to use social media. Clear? Because there are a lot of advantages of using YouTube in a different manner. So this is about YouTube. And the next thing is about WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, there is no doubt everybody will know what exactly the WhatsApp is. I'm not going to explain what it is exactly used for, because you know how to use it and how it is used for as well. So this WhatsApp, it is also invented in the year of February 2014, and then we started using WhatsApp initially, and then now there is everywhere WhatsApp in everybody's mobile phone, so that it's helping us a lot in doing voice call, video call, transferring images, media, documents, whatever. So everything is made easier with the help of WhatsApp. And the next one is about digital media. So what is the meaning of digital India, not digital media? So what is the meaning of digital India? See, first we were using the method of payment where we have to go and stand in queue for a long time and pay the bills for electricity or for whatever bills you wanted to pay. We'll have to stand in the queue. Or you wanted to watch cricket matches, or you wanted to get the ticket for cinemas, then we'll have to stand in queues. But now that is no more needed because everything is made digital. You can sit in a place and you can easily pay the bills. You can watch online classes, you can book the tickets for the movies. All these are possible with the help of digital India. Yes. So this is one of the main aim where India is just moving towards more digitization. That's when we have pan cards, Aadhaar cards, and linking of Aadhaar cards to the bank accounts and mobile numbers and pan cards has become very mandatory by the government because it has been digitalized nowadays. Clear, children? So, what on we have learned about the internet and its applications. I hope you understood this. Also, we have learned about email applications, and we learned the difference between what is a website and a web page, and the different social medias like blog, Twitter, and Facebook. Also, we have learned about. So, I'll catch you in the next video, children. Bye.